Okay, now we move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Your topic is describe a time when you encourage someone to do something, right? That he or she didn't want to do. Now the situation is you encouraged means you motivated someone to do something which that person did not want to do. That's the whole thing. You should say who he or she is, means present tense, the person, right? All right, what you encouraged him or her to do, past tense, how he or she reacted. Let me correct this cue card. It should be who he or she was, otherwise it not match, right? Say he was my cousin, he was my friend. So just speak about it in present and explain why you encouraged him or her, the reason for encouragement, right? Now you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes and your topic is all in past tense, right?
Okay.
Let's take a start.
I would like to tell you. I would like to tell you about a discussion in between my friend Ali and me. He is my best friend. We know each other since our
Yeah,
childhood.
we have known to each other since our
Since our
childhood.
childhood, we are also each other neighbors. Therefore, we like to stand with each other in our thick and thins. He has a good knowledge of computer. He has a good knowledge of computer. In addition, he also has a university degree in computer engineering. Beside all of this, he was jobless, and that become depression for him. The main reason behind his unemployment was that he don't want to he
He
didn't
didn't want
want
to,
to
yeah.
leave his town. We live in a small town. We lived in a small town, as it wasn't IT hub. So I encouraged him to get out of his comfort zone and join some IT company. So fortunately, I have a friend in Lahore. So I called
I
him.
had a friend.
I had a friend in Lahore. I called him, so he managed all the things he needs and the accommodation for my friend. I enco- he get super excited when he came
He
to
got super
he got
excited.
super excited when he came to know about that, and he was very motivated to about his job. I encouraged him because he was my best friend. Above all, we are like brothers to each other. We are like brothers to each other. Uh, and true friends don't.
Okay, all right. Overall, it is good, but just some grammatical mistakes which I corrected,
Yeah.
right? Because your topic was in the past tense, so just focus past, and you elaborated well. By the way, you expressed yourself very well. Just keep it up like this, but just focus your grammatical range and accuracy. Now we move on. Speaking part 3. How could leaders encourage their employees?
I think leaders can encourage their employees in many different ways. Firstly, they can add some incentives in their salary, which can help them to work even more harder. Secondly, they should appreciate them, which can build the pillar of trust in between the employee and the manager.
All right, more harder is not right.
Okay.
Harder means more hard.
More hard,
right?
okay.
Work harder is better.
Okay.
When should parents encourage their children?
I think parents should encourage their children all the time.
Children, not children's.
Children all the time. If their children want to do something, or if they are afraid of failing or trying to do new things, they should encourage them to do that.
Okay, what kind of encouragement should parents give to their children?
Parents should give every kind of encouragement for encouragement if their children is afraid of embarrassment.
If children are afraid of.
If their children are afraid of embarrassment, so their parents should do that same thing in front of them. Firstly, for example, there was my friend. His father danced in front of him firstly to make him motivate, to made him motivate.
To motivate him
motivate
and all
him.
that. Okay, overall it's good, but grammatical range and accuracy, that's your main area.
Okay.
You have fluency, even your pronunciation is fine, right? You are having ideas also. You don't have any issues with lack of ideas. But in order to express those ideas, you need good knowledge of the language, that is grammatical range and accuracy. So work hard on that. At present, I'll give you 6,
Okay.
but with a little improvement, you can even reach 7.
Okay.
Improvement in grammatical range and accuracy, right?
Sure.
Okay, thank you.